Hello and welcome back to Medal of Honor Frontline. We are doing the next mission, which is Operation Rapunzel. Basically, we have got out of that town. We've found the informant. We have now got a uniform. We've got to get our way into the mansion, find Gerwit, I think that's his name, and get him out of there. So yes, let's crack on. Cool, so I have my ID papers. Who are you, sir? Oh, no.
Eingang, du kommst aber spät.
Ja.
Könnt ihr nicht rein?
Nine. I'll go around there instead. Said 500. No.
Du bist nicht Friedrich. Die Uniform ist falsch. Du bist keiner von uns.
Oh dear. Okay, we've do. I must say, I've played this game tons and tons of times. It doesn't matter if I run through here or, you know, do it really steady. I always end up getting my disguise blown. So that's clearly what happens. Oh. I see you. Do I have any other weapons? No, I don't. Hit you in the face. Aha! Oh, found some shotguns. Oh, shotgun shells. There's nothing in here. I don't think I'm going to bother sneaking this. I mean, they already know I'm here. Or do they? They clearly didn't then. We found a shotgun and we've got the key. That's dealt with. Hello! I did not expect you to be there. Now, I'm normally quite sneaky and I would wait for them to come around the corner, but I have beaten them to it this time. With a field kit, we'll save that if we need it later. Problem solved. Oh look, it's me! Goodbye, me. Oh, great cover. Oh no, I'm still being shot at. Don't spill the soup! This bread is lovely. Oh, hello. I believe that is everyone. Bread is delicious. Oh. Oh yeah, no pirouette there. Beautiful. Oh, or reload. Anyone here? No, we're all good. Down with the chandeliers. Haha. Hello, mate. Won't be playing the piano now. I'll let him live. Oh, hello. I'm not a minger. If anyone speaks German and can tell me what a Heining-minger is, that would be rather handy, I must say. Obviously, we've got to find. Also, we have got to find hidden documents behind a painting, a map, in fact. And also, we've got to find some hidden documents behind a clock. I have a grenade. Grenade out! Take cover, reload. See, I love the little details in this game. Like, you know, for example, you can shoot down the chandeliers and you can shoot, you know, them and make it, so, you know, it was quite cool back in the day. Now, oh, hello. So someone's still shooting at me and I don't know who it is. Ah, there it is. Now, a bit of a tip here. If you manage to shoot him from here, he will then not use a Panzerschreck to destroy the bridge. So yeah, if you don't shoot him, he destroys this bridge up here and you have to find another way around. But gladly, we have succeeded and we have a fantastic new gun. STG-44. I have no idea what it means. Yeah, we found the map. Not that I've been playing this for years and years and know exactly where it is. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, the library. Two on the gallery. There we go. I can't get the ammo. Okay, clearly don't need it. Oh, hello. Ah, war table. Nothing behind this painting. Obviously, we've already found the artifact.
Diese Küche macht die besten Saumägen mit Blut.
Have a grenade! That did nothing. And that bounced off the wall as well. Oh no, it didn't. And if I remember rightly, there's the document. Don't need any ammo. Enjoy this! There we go. Any ammo? No. Don't know why you bring your gun with you to the sauna. Surely you get a bit wet, steamy.
Ja, we zijn klaar. Ik denk dat hij net aangekomen is. Hello, Lieutenant Pedersen.
Hello.
I'm glad you made it. You haven't much time. They're transporting the prisoners tonight. Take whatever supplies you need. Good luck.
Thank you. Yeah, we'll have some of that, some of that. Actually, in fact, we'll have all of it. There's another secret door. Oh, health. Don't need it. Another grenade, I think, is necessary here. I'll see another one. Nope. Oh, I've been shot by someone. Ah, hello. I didn't know you guys came down here. Ah. That's a new for me. I've never had enemies in the secret passage. Ah, they come through that door. And I believe, hey, we're found.
Thank goodness.
Do it.
I was sure I was finished.
Not quite, mate. Come on, hurry up. Ah, I'll go ahead and make sure the route is clear. Yes, let's go do that thing. Cool, come on, quickly. Now it's always best to go ahead and clear all the enemies because Gerald or Gertrude or whatever his name is takes about half an hour to actually make his way to the drop site. Where is he? Come on! Hurry up! Yes, there he is. Come on! If you could walk any slower, that would be marvellous. Wonderful. Well, of course, you know, because he just takes so bloody long to get to the edge, you do get to push him off it. Also, you have to be very careful to make sure you jump onto the hay bales. Where is he? Come on! And we've escaped.
Allied infantry always welcomed the sight of a Sherman tank. Its combination of speed, firepower, and quick repair made it an invaluable ground weapon. The sheer number of Shermans in the field usually allowed Allied generals to count on armored superiority. However, not all the Sherman tank specs were ideal. It was thinly armored and caught fire easily. In addition, its cannon was not large enough to pierce the more heavily armored enemy tanks, a weakness not shared by the German Tiger. Fortunately, evolving teamwork between ground spotters, artillery, and the Army Air Force meant no Tiger was impenetrable, thus helping the Shermans rule the day.
Ah, there we go, bronze. 30% accuracy. Brilliant. That's that bit. Oh, no, more one. There we go. Lovely, I think. Just trying to think what the next part of the mission is now. It's, let's have a look. Operation Rapunzel, we've just done that. So, several bridges too far. Yes, Jiminy bridge. That one. That'll be the next one. We'll see you then.